Okay, let's read the manual to this awesome product. Operations manual in all blank glaze. Here's an insert. Multitool. Where's ours? Multitool HPMT01. What do we got? Yeah. Here's your safety. Here's more safety. Multi-tool safety. Rules and regulations. Features, specs. Oh, we do actually have specs. I thought this was 20,000 RPM. I wonder if they still use the same motor as that's in the other tool. Operational. Install the battery, but first buy a battery. Here's your stuff. Wood, metal, and plastic. Oh, that's a wood blade. Straight cutting in wood, metal, and plastic. But it says it's a wood blade. Alright, whatever. Detail sanding. Autistic advertising. We're not out of the English section, are we yet? Alright, this is form. So they're showing you how to install the thing. Oh, here we go. Function, I mean. Alright, here we go. This is the stuff we want. What is this? D? Where'd D come from? Storage areas for adapter not included. The adapter's not included? Oh. Oh yeah, there's like a little ball-y thing in there. Huh. What's the adapter? Storage area for adapter not included. Okay. Alright. Well, y'all, the adapter, it's not included, but you could put it there. Alright? Okay. Adapter not included. So A is the adapter not included. Why do you keep showing us something that's not included? Okay, E is E. Assembly. Okay, your speed. Your B, your cutter. Oh, that's right. That's what it's for. Getting into corners and shit. Not included. Huh. Interesting. Alright, well then we're on to the notes. And I have not put any notes in my manual, so we don't get to look at any notes. That's that. Oops, sorry. That's that. Is there any warranty stuff listed? No. Usually these things have lifetime warranty. Oh, there it is. 3 limited 3. Alright. Well, there's the manual. Red. For you. By me. Pro. Simpsons did it.
No, you do it.
I did it?
Yeah.
Simpsons did it.